Hello friend, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so that whenever we upload new video, you will get a notification on your phone. Hello viewers, how are you? Hope so you all will be okay. Today our topic of discussion is what is API gravity or degree of API. According to my observation, mathematically API gravity is dimensionless quantity of hydrocarbons that can be measured by this formula. As we know that API gravity is equal to 141.5 divided by specific gravity of sample at 60 degree Fahrenheit minus 131.5. Specific gravity or relative gravity is a dimensionless quantity that is the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of the water at specified temperature and pressure. So, specific gravity is equal to density of substance divided by density of water. If we put specific gravity of water 1 in above formula, then API gravity is equal to 141.5 upon 1 minus 131.5. API gravity of water will be 10 according to above formula. So, it indicates that API gravity is inversely proportional to specific gravity of sample at 60 degree Fahrenheit and vice versa. Substance with specific gravity less than 1 will float on water, while substance with specific gravity greater than 1 will sink in water. API gravity of oil can be measured with the help of following laboratory instruments. Number 1, hydrometer with graduated density scale. Number 2, measuring cylinder. And number 3, thermometer in Fahrenheit. Generally, the oil which is in between 40 to 45 API gravity are more valuable, having higher market price, while above than 45 degree of API is less desirable, especially for refineries due to short molecular chain. There are almost 4 classifications of oil on the basis of 40 or less than 40 API gravity. Number 1, light crude oil having API gravity greater than 31, or low viscosity oil with having higher evaporation rate. Number 2, medium oil having API gravity in between 22 to 31 degree. Number 3, heavy oil having API gravity less than 22 degree. While number 4, extra heavy oil having API gravity less than 10 degree. There are various crude benchmarks in international market are as under. Number 1, Brent crude oil having API 38. Number 2, WTI. WTI stands for West Texas Intermediate Crude Oil having API 40. Number 3, WCS. WCS stands for Western Canadian Select Crude Oil having API 20. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.